The P0335 code stands for Crankshaft Position Circuit Malfunction. This indicates an issue with the crankshaft position sensor, which is responsible for monitoring the crankshaft's position and relaying that information to the engine control module ECM. If the ECM doesn't receive the expected signals from the sensor, it triggers the P0335 code. This sensor is typically located near the bottom of the engine, close to the crankshaft. Now, common causes of the P0335 code. First is crankshaft position sensor. The most obvious cause is a damaged or faulty crankshaft position sensor. If the sensor isn't working correctly, the ECM cannot get the required data, leading to the P0335 error. Second is wiring issues. Torn, frayed, or damaged wires can interrupt communication between the sensor and the ECM. When this happens, the ECM triggers the code to alert you to the problem. Third, loose sensor connector. A bad connector can also cause this issue. Dirt, debris, or corrosion on the connector can block the signal. Ensure the connector is clean and securely attached. Sometimes, simply unplugging and reconnecting the connector can resolve the problem. And last is faulty ECM. While it's rare, a malfunctioning ECM can also set off the P0335 code. This should only be considered after ruling out all other possible causes. Also, air gap issues. On some vehicles, the crankshaft position sensor may require a shim during installation to ensure the proper air gap. If the gap is too large or too small, even a brand new sensor can trigger the P0335 code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next one.